This outline text effect will make your designs pop in just minutes. So let's get started.
So first, open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Then, go to File, hit Place Embedded, drop your image in, and just drag it around till it looks kind of nice. This will be the base for our text. Easy, right? Now select the text tool and type your word. I'm using freak because, well, sometimes we all feel like a little freak, right? All right, now center it on your canvas so it's perfectly aligned over the image. Pick a bold font so the outline really pops later. All right, now duplicate your image layer, then select the duplicate and click Remove Background from the contextual taskbar. If you don't see it, no worries, just make sure the layer is selected. Still not showing? Go to Window in the top menu, then enable contextual taskbar from there.
Now just click on Remove Background, and that's it. The background disappears instantly.
Next, duplicate your text layer. Now select the copied text layer and set the fill to 0% in the Layers panel. This hides the text fill and keeps only the stroke visible. Trust me, this little trick makes all the difference. Next, double-click the copied text layer to open blending options. Go to Stroke, set the size, I'm using 6 pixels, choose a color you like, and leave other settings as default. Click OK. Drag the duplicate below the removed background image layer in the Layers panel. This ensures the stroke we'll add only shows over the subject. Cool trick, right? Now, select both text layers, the original and the one with the stroke, and click the Link Layers button at the bottom. Linking just makes sure if you move the text, everything moves together. Super handy, especially when you tweak things later. Adjust stroke thickness or position if needed. And there you go, a text effect where the outline only shows over the image and the rest stays normal.
But if you want your text to pop even more, just double-click the text layer to open the Layer Style panel and add a drop shadow. Set the opacity to around 61%. Leave the rest of the values as mentioned here and then hit OK. And now your text really stands out.
Professional, eye-catching, and kind of fun too. If you enjoyed this trick, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which text effect you want me to teach next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.